San Francisco, this is Belfast. Can you hear us?
With a live link established, it's all systems go at Belfast City Hospital. 3 patients are undergoing life-saving heart procedures.
I'm very happy where we are.
Tuned in from across the world are medical teams keen to learn from Northern Ireland's cardiologists.
Today we are beaming 3 live cases from our centre here in Belfast over to the conference centre in San Francisco. It's the largest interventional meeting in the world. It's a meeting that specialises in techniques which are not involving an open heart operation, so through the leg or through the wrist, allowing us to perform technologies and treatments which until very recently were not available.
While this pioneering work is no longer new in Northern Ireland, it is for other countries. It's non-invasive work, which sees a stent being inserted to allow an artery to widen and the blood to flow more freely.
What's happening now is advancement of equipment inside the heart arteries to relieve those blockages and narrowings, and basically treat them and open them so that the patient is relieved from a lack of blood supply to the heart muscle itself to improve overall survival and quality of life.
Every year there are 2,500 cardiac procedures performed across the Belfast Health Trust. Also 250 valve procedures. It's cutting edge, and Belfast is leading the way across the world. 24 hours later, and one of the patients is getting ready to go home.
I feel really good. I do. I really do. I'm very glad. I haven't had any pain or any reaction from it.
It's estimated that eventually 1 in 4 people will require complex coronary care. For the team, they're there to save lives. Most of us have normal jobs, but somebody like you is actually saving a life. How does that feel?
I suppose I until I actually think about it, I don't, it is my day-to-day job. But yes, when you do take a step back and you realise what our role entails, it's lovely to think that we're part of that.
This pioneering work is not only giving some patients a new lease of life, but for some, it's keeping them alive. Mary Louise Connolly, BBC Newsline.